ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्रीरामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनं। ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्रीतुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्रीतुलसीदासाय नमः। Hari Om, a very warm welcome. We saw that the Kapata Muni has given such a confidence in Pratapa Bhanu that he completely got influenced, and the Kapata Muni gave him a boon and said he will take care of it, but he also gave a conditions apply, we saw yesterday. And with that accepting that condition, Pratap Bhanu was very convinced. And with that, the Kapata Muni said, now you go and sleep. I will meet you after 3 days. And Pratap Bhanu went, tied the horse, and he slept. That is where we completed. And now we will continue with the 170th verse, 170th Chaupai. सयन कीन्ह नृप आय सुमानी, आसन जाई बैठ चल ज्ञानी, श्रमित भूप निद्रा अति आई, सो किमि सोव सोच अधिकाई, काल केतु निशिचरतः आवा, जेहि सुकर होई नृपहि बुलावा, परम मित्र तापस नृप केरा, जानई सो अति कपट घनेरा, तेहि के सत सुत आरुदस भाई, खल अति अजय देव दुखदाई, प्रथम ही भूप समर सब मारे, विप्र संत सुर देखि दुखारे, तेहि खल पाछिल बयरु संभारा, तापस नृप मिली मंत्र विचारा, जेहि रिपु छय सोई रचनि उपावु, भावी बस न जान कछुरावु, रिपु तेजसी अकेल अपि, लहु करि गनियन ताहु, अजहु देत दुख रवि शशि, सिर अवशेषित राहु सियावर, रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। सयन कीन्ह नृप आय सुमानी, नृप द किंग Pratap Bhanu, Sayan कीन्ह आय सुमानी, had taking leave of the hermit, he prostrated to that Kapata Muni, and then he went and tied the horse, and then slept. आसन जाई बैठ छल ज्ञानी, छल ज्ञानी Kapata Muni, आसन जाई बैठ, he went and sat in his seat. Now he has to scheme everything properly. Why? No more worry about the king. The king is under his complete control. Therefore, the worry about the king is no more there. He shifted his attention to how he can implement his plan. Shramita bhupa nidhrati ai. Shramita bhupa. The king was already very tired. He has traveled along, hunting the animals, and then he had to chase the boar, and then found this Kapata Muni somewhere. It took a lot of, not just time, it took many days he was doing it, and then he was very tired. Sokimi sova socha adhikai. Once he completely slept, he went into deep sleep. And Sokimi sova socha adhikai. This Kapata Muni, he started thinking, what is my next step? And he was with great anxiety also. Kala ketu nisicharataha ava. There was a demon called Kala Ketu. Who was he? Jehisukar hui nripahi bhulava. He was the one who took the form of the boar and, as though running away from the king, he brought the king here. So that boar was none other than this demon called Kala Ketu. And he brought him there. And the king was separated from the army. We have seen that. having brought the king astray from his team, he, as though led him towards this Kapata Muni. And who is this Kapata Muni for him? Paramamitra. This Kapata Muni and the demon called Kalaketu both were great friends. Nrupakera. Janaiso ati kapata ghanera. This demon, very, 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 skilled in his Maya Shakti, in deceitful activities. This demon was very skillful. Tehike Satasuta Aru Dasabhai. He had 100 sons and 10 brothers. See, these days, because of our government's family planning, etc., one, maybe one more. And that one more, by chance, it becomes a twin, then people get, oh, now 3 children, we have to bring them up. So difficult in these days. Like that, we start worrying ourselves. 100 sons, Shatasuta, he had 100, of course, demon after all. And those days, people had plenty. They used to get married to number of wives, and each one of them will give number of children. So it is not a very surprising thing as such. Satasuta, 100 sons, Dashabhai, 10 brothers. Khalati Ajaya Deva Dukhadai, all of them were great villains. Khala, very evil people. And Ati Ajaya, very invincible. They were all invincible, meaning very powerful in their warfare and power, valor, etc. Ati Ajaya, Deva Dukhadai, they were giving trouble to all the Devatas. Now, Asuras, they only give trouble to Devatas. See, you will never find Devatas troubling Asuras. Have you ever heard this? Isn't it very interesting? That is why demons, very interestingly, I remember Puja Gurudev saying, nobody will name their children in the name of any of the demons. Do we have anybody called Ravana, Kumbhakarna, Hiranyakashipu, like that? Do we name anybody? No. But we definitely, the names are, many devatas are there. Vishnu Sahasranama, they take and pick up one nice nama. The name of the devatas are definitely kept, but demons are not kept. Why? Because of their nature of deceitful thinking and troubling others. Villains. Prathama hi bhupa samara sabha mare. What did this Pratapabhanu do earlier? First thing he did was, he killed all the 100 sons of that demon and all the 10 brothers also he killed. All of them were killed. Therefore, this Kalaketu, he escaped and he was there waiting for an opportunity to take revenge. Viprasantasura dekhi dukare, because they brought lot of stress and pain to the Vipra, all the Brahmanas and saints and sages and also Devatas, he killed all of them. Tehikala pachila bayaru sambara tapasanrupamili mantra bichara. Now, recalling all those events, he found an appropriate time to take revenge on Pratapabhanu. And therefore, he sat down with that Kapata Muni and he schemed a plan. Jehiri pochaya soi racheni upavu. Racheni upavu. They both sat down and planned and schemed how to eliminate this common enemy. Common enemy who was the enemy for both of them. One, the demon's sons and brothers were killed. And here, this Kapata Muni, he was made to run away from the battlefield. So both of them have the common enemy, who is Pratapa Bhanu. Bhavi basana jana kachuravu. And interestingly, as the fate would have it, they say, that phrase is there, as the fate would have it, this Nripa, Raja, he was in deep sleep, not knowing what these two were doing. In fact, he doesn't know even about Kapatamuni, Kalaketu, and he was in deep sleep. Now, Tulsidas ji, before continuing, he gives a very important teaching. Very, very important teaching he gives. Please be attentive. Ripu tejasi akela api lahu kari ganiyanatahu. Ripu. Ripu means enemy, villain, enemy, evil people. All of them you can put them into one bracket, one camp, if you say. And all the devatas on the other camp. This camp word, our Swamiji, my Acharya, Puja Swami Chidananji uses very beautifully. So I, with his permission, pick up that word and say the enemy camp. All the demons and the devatas camp. We will say good people camp. Ripu akela api. In case the enemy, even though he is alone, in case he is tejasi. Tejasi means what? He is a very powerful person, very spirited person to bring lot of havoc in the society, etc., etc. Kill people like the demons generally do. Ripu tejasi akela api lahu kari ganiyanatahu. One should not underestimate. One should not take him for granted. Why? Now see, he gives an example. Ajahu deta dukha rabi sasihi siravaseshita rahu. Rahu, we all know Rahu. Rahu is one of the graha, among the Navagraha. Rahu is one graha who has only a head, who doesn't have the body. Why? During that Samudra Mathana, when the Devatas were being given the Amrita, which was brought out in the churning, the Amrita was being distributed by the Mohini to the Devatas. Mohini is none other than Bhagavan Vishnu. At that time, Rahu, he was also a demon. He changed his form like a Devata and stood in the queue quietly. Like a nice, like how the Devatas would behave, he also behaved in that way. He stood in the queue, and then when his turn came, he took the Amrita in his hand. And Amrita is what? That which gives immortality according to our Puranas. He took the Amrita in his hand and he also put it in his mouth. By that time, Bhagavan Vishnu came to understand that this is a demon. And Sudarshana Chakra was, implemented, and within a fraction of a second, before the Amrita could go below his throat was cut off. And therefore, because it went up to the throat, Rahu is eternal. The body is no more there. The trunk is no more there. And now look at Rahu. According to Purana Katha, now we have got different ways of explaining solar eclipse and lunar eclipse, is it not? But for Rahu, sun and moon are enemies. Therefore, time and again, he would go and swallow them. But luckily, because he does not have the trunk, it would come out from the other side. Isn't it? Like as one Phala, how Hanumanji shot up and swallowed Ravi. Ravi means sun, isn't it? Similarly, Rahu goes and swallows sun and moon. That is why both of them are his enemies. Rahu and but luckily because a trunk is not there. Similarly, what the point here is, even though he does not have a trunk, just with that head, he can bring problems to sun and moon also. Therefore, we have the eclipse. Therefore, don't take enemies for granted. That is the moral of that story. Continuing. तापस नृप निज सखहि निहारी हर्षि मिलेबु उठी भयउ सुखारी मित्र ही कही सब कथा सुनाई जातु धान बोला सुख पाई अब साधेउ प्रिपु सुनहु नरेसा जौन तुम कीन मोर उपदेसा परिहरि सोच रहा हूं तुम सोई बिनु औषध व्याधि विधि कोई कुल समेत रिपु मूल बहाई चौथे दिवस मिलब में आई तापस नृपहि बहुत परितोषी चला महाकपटी अतिश्रोषी भानु प्रताप ही बाजी समेता पहुंचाये सिछन माजनिकेता नृप ही नारी पही शयन कराई हय गृह बांधे सी बाजी बनाई राजा के ऊपर रोहित ही हरि लय गयउ बहोरी लय राखे सी गिरि खोह महू माया करिमति भोरी सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भय सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। तापस नृप निज सखहि निहारी. Now that Kapata Muni having seen his friend, immediately he was so delighted. Why? As though he has got double strength. Why? There is somebody to support. He immediately got up. Harashi mile uthi bhayavu sukhari. He got up immediately and went and met his friend. Probably they hugged each other and shared such a beautiful time. Mitra hi kahi sab katha sunai. He narrated everything, whatever happened. What happened? That he was driven away from the battlefield by this Pratapa Bhanu, and therefore I am here, all that katha he said. Jatu dana bola sukhapai. It gave lot of satisfaction. This milana, this meeting the friend gave lot of sukha to both of them, in fact. Ab sadhevu ripu sunahu naresa. Now, Kalaketu said, Naresa, don't worry. Ab sadhevu ripu. Now, both demon and that Muni, Kapata Muni, were very glad. Why? Now both of us together can eliminate our common friend. Jotuma ki namora upadesa. You did a very good thing by giving me the advice of becoming a boar. He must have told. Well, see, we don't know that particular katha is not very much said here. See, probably Tulsidas ji has thought, why talk about the demons and their Purana, etc. So just one word he said and he finished. Since you have followed me, my advice, parihari socha raha tum soi. The enemy is now subdued to a very great extent. Why? He is now completely at your command. Therefore, don't worry. Parihari soch raho. You completely give up that thought of worry or something. He is under your control. We can do it. Bina aushadha. Look at that wonderful thought. Bina aushadha biadi vidhi koi. It is something like without any medicine, the vyadhi has gone. Without any use of medicine. Meaning what? Not really we have used any medicine. Now that person is already here. Our problem is solved. Together we can remove that, that hurt that is there in our heart. Kula sameta ripu mula bahai. I will now clean the entire clan. Kula sameta. Complete Vamsha I will clean. Therefore, be ready. Chaute divasa milab mein aayi. Now, I will go prepare the base and I will come and meet you on the 4th day. Chaute divasa. Tapasa nripahi bahuta paritoshi. Now that Kapata Muni was very extremely happy. Why? His arch rival can be eliminated. Who was very, 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 eating away his head in a manner of saying. See, sometimes, getting some right word becomes difficult. Why? That intensity of it is so high that the right word doesn't come to the mouth, you see. He was so frustrated. He wanted to kill that Pratapabhanu, but he wanted to kill him in a different way. One wonders, he is anyway under one he could have killed him that way. No, then again karma phala, again he will become a demon. But so he wanted to do it in a different way. Probably, this is my thinking. Okay. Pratapabhanu hi baji sameta pahunchayesi chana majhaniketa. This demon took Pratapabhanu and the horse. Maya Shakti. Took means it doesn't mean that he has lifted or something. Through Maya Shakti, he is very skilled, we just saw. And he took both of them as they were sleeping to their place. In an instant, transported in an instant. It is not that he will take it and then go all through the roads and things like that. Over probably on the air. The demon airways, we may call it probably. Pratapabhanu along with the horse, he went. Nripahi nari pahi sayana karai. He quietly went and placed that Nripa king near the queen. Quietly he put him on the bed near the queen. Hayagriha bandhesi baji banai. He even went and tied the horse in its particular place in a particular way. The horses in the kingdom, in the palace, are always kept in a proper way. Lot many soldiers and servants will be there. They would put them rightly and things like that. Like that, he went and put the horse also properly in a proper way. Raja ke uparohitahi. The king has his own purohit. You remember the plan earlier. Now I am not going to repeat that plan. Now that purohit, what he did, Hari Layagayo Bahori. This demon took the purohit from his house and took him to the cave. Le rakhe sigiri kohamahu. He took him to the hill, the cave under a hill, and quietly put him there. Maya karimati bhori. With his Maya Shakti, he made him unconscious. Whom? Remember, the Purohit. Then what happened? Apu birachi uparohira rupa pare ujayite hi sejanupa jage undripa anabhaye bihana dekhi bhavan ati achara jumana मुनि महिमा मन महु अनुमानी, उठेवु गावहि जेहि जानन रानी, कानन गयवु बाजी चढ़िते ही, पुर नर नारी न जाने उकेहि, गए जाम जुग भूपति आवा, घर घर उत्सव बाज बधावा, उपरोहित ही देख जब राजा, चकित बिलोक सुमिरि सोई काजा, जुग समंद्र पहि गए दिन तीनी, कपटी मुनि पद रही मति लीनी, समय जानी उपरोहित आवा, नृपहि मते सब कहि समुझावा, नृप हर्षि उपहि छानि गुरु, भ्रम बस रहान चेत, बरे तुरत सत सहस बर, बेप्र कुटुंब समेत सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। Now this demon, आप बिरचि uparohira rupa, he himself took the form of that Purohit. Purohit is now unconscious. This demon took the form of Purohit. Parevu jaite hi soja anupa. And he went and lied down in the Purohit's house. जागे नृप अन भये बिहाना. The king woke up before everybody could wake up, and slowly he came out of the palace. देखि भवन अति आचर जुमाना. He was very astonished when he woke up from his bed. He was astonished to find himself in his own palace and in his own bed next to that Rani. Muni Mahima Mana Mahu Anumani. He was feeling so happy. What a great Mahima this Muni has. Uthevu Gavahi Jehi Janan Rani. Before Rani could get up, he woke up and quietly he came out. Kanan Gayavu Baji Chadhite. What he did, he went quietly out and went to the woods, to the forest. Pura nara nari na jane vukehi. Nobody understood that he was going along on the roads probably. Gaye jama juga bhupati ava. He went and he came back also. By afternoon probably he came back midday. Ghar ghar utsava baja badhava. When he came, people were very happy. Oh, Raja has come, Raja has come, Raja has come. Therefore, he was extremely praised, and everybody started celebrating the return of the Raja. And then news also spread about that Homa Havana, etc., what has to happen. And now he is going to call all the Brahmanas, 100,000, 1 lakh Brahmanas every day, along with the family. Every house was decorated. Uparohita hi dekha jab Raja. When the Purohit came, the Raja became very, very happy. Remember, Purohit came means the duplicate Purohit. Chakita biloka sumiri soi kaja. He was so amazed. And his ambition came in front of him. Sumiri soi kaja. That particular purpose for which he is now going to do all this work, as slated by our Kapata Muni, in between he remembered, now he is going to become the Raja for 100 kalpas. So that he remembered and he became more and more happy. Why? Everything is falling in place according to him. Juga samanupahi gaye dinaniti. The 3 days. You remember? He said he will come on the 4th day. Therefore, the 3 days became very long for him. He could not wait. 3 days he was constantly thinking, I will become that king, I will become that emperor, I will become the king for 100 kalpas. Oh, how nice it will be. And I will be always young only. No jaramarana dukkham. Oh, he was, all the time reveling in his thoughts. Kapati muni padarahamati. And while he was thinking that way, mentally he would fall at the feet of that Kapati Muni. Samaya jani uparohita ava. Time, trickled, and that particular time came, and at the appointed time, the priest also came. Nripahi mate sabakahi samujhava. And then he reminded all the details what happened. That is the password. With that password, entry is given. So he probably he typed the password for entry. Or you have that that card. When you go to the companies and all today, all the IT companies, they have a card. You have to swipe a card, then the door opens. Even in the train, metro trains, you have a card. You keep the card and then quickly it opens. Similarly, he had a card of that story, and then he got a right of way. Nripahara Shevupahichani Guru. King was very delighted. Why? He has seen that his guru there. He didn't see that priest in the form of priest. He saw his guru. Who? Kapata Muni. Brahma basarahan cheta. No intelligence left. Why? Completely deluded. Everything is happening as per plan. Then that again deludes. The delusion becomes thicker and thicker. Bare turata sata sahasa bara. Immediately he invited 100,000 brahmanas, chosen brahmanas, all that he had already done probably. Vipra kutumba sameta. Vipra Kutumba, including the Kutumba of those Brahmanas, he has already invited. Now everything is ready. Then what happened? We will see tomorrow. Alright? Sometimes some suspense is required, you see. We will see tomorrow. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.